Did you know that the first iPhone was released in 2007 and completely changed the way we interact with technology? Fast forward to today, and we're already talking about features that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie. The iPhone Air is Apple's latest innovation in the smartphone market, and it's making waves with its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. This new device is not just another iPhone, it's a significant leap forward in terms of performance, camera capabilities, and user experience. The iPhone Air represents the future of smartphones, and we're excited to dive into what makes it so special. From its stunning display to its powerful processor, the iPhone Air is packed with features that will make your mobile experience even more enjoyable. Apple, as a brand, has always been at the forefront of innovation, especially in the smartphone market. Founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, Apple has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible with technology. Their journey in creating groundbreaking smartphones began with the first iPhone, which revolutionized the way people communicate and access information on the go. Over the years, Apple has continued to innovate, introducing features like Face ID, Touch ID, and the App Store, which have become standard in the industry. Apple's commitment to quality and user experience has made it one of the leading tech companies in the world. The iPhone Air boasts a range of impressive features, including a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display that offers vibrant colors and crystal-clear visuals. Its camera system has been significantly upgraded, with a triple-lens setup that includes a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens, allowing for more versatility in capturing life's moments. Under the hood, the iPhone Air is powered by Apple's latest A17 Bionic chip, which provides a boost in performance and efficiency, making it perfect for gaming, multitasking, and more. Additionally, the device comes with an improved battery life, ensuring that you can enjoy your iPhone for longer periods without needing to recharge. The iPhone Air's design is sleek and sophisticated, with a durable glass back and a stainless steel frame that gives it a premium feel. It also features a new ceramic shield that provides added protection against drops and scratches. Another notable feature is the iPhone Air's advanced biometric security, which includes Face ID, allowing for secure and convenient unlocking of your device. The iPhone Air has received positive reviews from both users and experts, with many praising its performance, camera capabilities, and sleek design. One of the major advantages of the iPhone Air is its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease, making it perfect for heavy users. However, some users have noted that the device's battery life could be better, especially for those who use their iPhones extensively throughout the day. In terms of user experience, the iPhone Air runs on iOS, which offers a smooth and intuitive interface. The device also comes with several innovative features, such as improved augmented reality capabilities and enhanced Siri functionality. When comparing the iPhone Air to other iPhone models, such as the iPhone 13 or iPhone 12, it's clear that the iPhone Air offers several significant upgrades. The iPhone Air's camera system, for instance, is more advanced than its predecessors, offering better low-light performance and more features. Compared to competitor brands like Samsung and Google, the iPhone Air stands out for its seamless integration with other Apple devices and its robust ecosystem. The Samsung Galaxy S series and Google Pixel series offer competitive features, but the iPhone Air's user experience and performance set it apart. As someone who's had the chance to use the iPhone Air, I can attest to its impact on daily life. The device's advanced features and capabilities have made tasks like editing videos, playing games, and browsing the web much more enjoyable. The iPhone Air has also improved my productivity, allowing me to stay organized and connected on the go. With its advanced camera capabilities, I can capture stunning photos and videos, and its long battery life ensures that I can use it throughout the day without needing to recharge. In my opinion, the iPhone Air is an excellent device that offers great value for its price. Its impressive features, sleek design, and robust performance make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to upgrade their smartphone experience. Overall, I give the iPhone Air a solid 9 out of 10 rating. It's an excellent device that's perfect for anyone who wants a premium smartphone experience. If you're considering purchasing the iPhone Air, I highly recommend it. However, if you're on a budget, you may want to consider other options. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content, where we dive deeper into the world of tech and innovation. We have a range of videos that cover the latest trends and releases, and we'd love for you to join the conversation. Your thoughts and opinions matter, so please share them with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.